lava, malo elele, kato, I'm Go. Welcome to NEWS Parapari, the 27th of August.
It's day 3 of Polyfest here at Stadium Southland.
We start the day with Te Pupu o Te Wiki. This week's word is maku,
Which is te reo for wet, as in te maku na hu. The shoes are wet.
and stinky.
Okay,
Okay, a big day for Winton School yesterday. Halfway to everyone who got up on stage and had a great time.
Lots of great comments from parents and staff here at Polyfest. It's awesome to have the whole school together.
True, tomorrow is Ramiri. That means hot chocolates and sausages.
Yeah, get your steps in the library before school.
And if you miss any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the next book below.
Book club news. Last day tomorrow for book club orders. Get them into the library, into the office people.
And remember, the Pet Day logo competition, A4 paper with your name on the back.
And that's all for today. From everyone here at the NEWS News team, ka kite a popo.
Stay clean, stay dry and stay classy, Winton School.